You just can't go wrong with marshmallows, butter, and Rice Krispies. Hey everyone, I'm Allie, the Tupperware lady, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a red, white, and blue Rice Krispie mold. So I'm going to be using a Jell-O mold to create my red, white, and blue Rice Krispie bar. And to get things started, I'm going to get some butter. So I'm cutting the recipe for this into thirds. So my first layer is going to have just over a tablespoon of butter and a third of my marshmallows. So it's going to be kind of eyeballed, just a little bit. That looks about right. So these are going to go into the microwave for just a few minutes, not even a few minutes, about a minute and a half. But I'm going to start at a minute and let that go. So what I'll be doing to make my red, white, and blue Rice Krispies is I'm going to be adding some gel food coloring. So one batch is going to be white, and then one batch will be red, and one batch will be blue. So I'm going to start us off with red. So literally 1 minute with a stir in between is really all this took. So I'm going to add to this just a few drops of red food coloring. I'm liking this red a lot. So now in my modular make here, I have Rice Krispie cereal. I'm going to do about 2 cups, but a little shy because I actually like my Rice Krispies to be more marshmallow than Rice Krispie. All right, we're gonna try some cooking spray in this to see if that helps. Oh, so much better. Look at this. No sticking to the sides. Genius. This is perfect. It is Memorial Weekend, but this is going to be perfect for doing 4th of July. You could do it in green for St. Patrick's Day, pastels for Easter. So we've all learned a valuable lesson. Cooking spray with 6 sticky substances works wonders. All right, the final one. You can kind of see on the side we've got red, white, and blue. I'm going to let it cool completely before I even seal it up. Then I'll flip it over and we will have a red, white, and blue Rice Krispie. So I'm going to let it cool though before I seal it up because that'll stretch the seal. So I'm just going to set this aside. All right, we are going to reveal the Rice Krispie red, white, and blue mold. Here we go. Red, white, and blue Rice Krispies. Ooh, I'm excited to try these. Izzy, you want to come help me try it?
Sure.
We will be the taste testers.
Looks good.
Looks cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
Verdict?
Delicious.
Delicious. Make sure you subscribe.